Did you know that incorporating just 7 specific foods into your diet could be a game changer for the 40 million people suffering from kidney disease? It's a simple yet profound shift with potentially transformative effects. Recent research from the National Kidney Foundation highlights this groundbreaking discovery, showing that certain foods not only safeguard your kidneys, but also boost their functionality, potentially increasing your glomerular filtration rate, GFR, by up to 40%. This isn't just about marginal gains. It's about unlocking significant health benefits that can redefine the experience of living with chronic kidney disease. Join us as we explore the remarkable impact of these 7 kidney-nurturing superfoods. Supported by scientific evidence, each of these culinary heroes is adept at reducing creatinine levels, making them invaluable allies for those prioritizing their kidney wellness. Number 1. Lemons. Lemons are not just a burst of vibrant flavor. They hold a hidden treasure for kidney health. Their rich, yellow hue signifies a powerhouse of benefits. Packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, lemons shield the kidneys from oxidative harm, aid in eliminating toxins, and boast citrate content that guards against kidney stone formation. Incorporating lemons into your diet isn't just about enhancing taste. It's a smart move for your kidneys' well-being. Incorporating lemon juice into green tea amplifies its health advantages by boosting the absorption of antioxidants such as catechols. Likewise, blending garlic with lemon juice augments garlic's potency in reducing cholesterol levels, thereby bolstering overall health. Number 2. Red potatoes. Red potatoes, often overlooked but nutritionally robust, offer a wealth of benefits for kidney health. These potatoes are rich in essential nutrients and fibers, boasting a notable content of resistant starch. This particular carbohydrate type is pivotal for kidney well-being, aiding in managing insulin resistance and stabilizing blood sugar levels. To maximize their health benefits, consider boiling red potatoes with their skins intact and enjoying them chilled the following day, as this can significantly enhance their resistant starch content, supporting overall kidney function and metabolic health. Number 3. Bok choy. Bok choy, a nutrient-packed leafy green, emerges as a key player in kidney health. Renowned for its rich calcium content, it serves as a formidable ally in combating kidney stone formation, a common concern. Beyond this, bok choy's nitrates spark a cascade of benefits, enhancing blood flow to the kidneys and bolstering cardiovascular wellness. This dual action not only safeguards against stone formation, but also fosters an environment conducive to optimal kidney function, making bok choy a standout choice for those prioritizing kidney health in their diet. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Renowned as liquid gold, extra virgin olive oil is a treasure trove of health benefits. Its rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties not only combat inflammation, but also play a pivotal role in warding off kidney stones, making it a must-have in any kidney-friendly diet. Moreover, this golden elixir aids in the absorption of essential fat-soluble vitamins vital for optimal kidney function, ensuring a robust and thriving renal system. Number 5. Kimchi. Kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables like cabbage, radish, and seasonings, is not only a flavorful addition to meals, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. This probiotic-rich food is known for its ability to support a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in overall wellness. By promoting a balanced gut environment, kimchi indirectly benefits kidney health by reducing inflammation and aiding in waste removal processes. Additionally, kimchi is a source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids, which contribute to its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of kimchi has also been associated with improved digestion, enhanced metabolism, and even potential weight management benefits. Incorporating kimchi into your diet not only delights your taste buds, but also nurtures your body with a range of nutrients that support optimal health, including kidney function. Number 6. Flaxseed. Renowned for their nutritional prowess, flax seeds pack a powerful punch despite their small size. Bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for cardiovascular health, flax seeds also boast a wealth of magnesium, selenium, and an array of nutrients that not only combat inflammation, but also serve as guardians against kidney damage. These tiny wonders have been shown to enhance kidney function, making them a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. Number 7. Tangerines. Tangerines, renowned for their vibrant flavor and rich vitamin C content, offer a wealth of health benefits. These citrus gems are not only delicious, but also play a vital role in promoting overall wellness. Packed with flavonoid nobilon, tangerines are champions of glycemic control and insulin resistance, making them a valuable ally in the management of diabetes. Furthermore, their potent antioxidant properties aid in preserving kidney function, reinforcing their status as a superfood for renal health. By integrating these 7 kidney-boosting foods into your daily meals, you can make substantial strides in enhancing not just your kidney health, but also your overall vitality. We invite you to share your insights, culinary expertise, and favorite recipes in the comments section below. Don't miss out on valuable tips. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable advice on nurturing your kidneys and optimizing your well-being. Thank you for embarking on this enriching journey toward improved kidney health with us.